The sun rises gently over the skyline of the smart city, a place where technology and nature live side by side. As the morning light reflects off solar-paneled rooftops, the city slowly comes alive. The air is fresh and clean because smart sensors constantly monitor pollution levels and adjust air filtration systems automatically. Even the streets seem to breathe with rhythm as autonomous buses begin their routes, guided by an invisible network of data and artificial intelligence. Emma, a young professional, wakes up to the soft voice of her virtual assistant. Instead of a loud alarm, her smart home adjusts the curtains to let in natural light and plays calm morning music. The system has already analyzed her schedule, prepared her to-do list, and adjusted the room temperature for comfort. While she gets ready, her mirror displays real-time news and traffic updates. She speaks naturally in English with her assistant, practicing pronunciation as she plans her day. In the smart city, even daily routines become lessons in communication and mindfulness. Outside, the streets are filled with quiet energy. Electric cars glide silently past as pedestrians cross smart walkways that glow softly to indicate safety. Every corner has intelligent waste bins that sort recyclables automatically. The city's data systems predict traffic flow and adjust signals in real time, reducing waiting time for everyone. For Emma, living in such a city feels like living inside a living organism, efficient, calm, and responsive. At a nearby cafe, robots and humans work together. The robotic barista remembers Emma's usual drink, a matcha latte with oat milk. Yet what she loves most is how the cafe encourages people to speak in English with AI conversational partners displayed on holographic screens. Visitors from different countries practice greetings, small talk, and pronunciation with virtual hosts. The city government has turned language learning into a part of everyday life. The smart city is designed not only to make life easier, but also to make learning constant. At Emma's workplace, an innovation hub focused on sustainability, every employee has an AI learning partner. These digital mentors observe work habits, suggest new skills, and even provide real-time feedback on communication. When Emma presents ideas, her AI assistant helps her choose better English expressions, corrects pronunciation, and recommends synonyms to sound more natural. Technology has become a teacher that never sleeps, always encouraging improvement. At lunchtime, Emma joins her colleagues in a public garden suspended between two buildings. The smart garden adjusts humidity, light, and soil nutrients through nanotechnology. The plants are not only decorative, they clean the air and produce organic herbs used by nearby restaurants. While enjoying her lunch, Emma opens an English listening app that plays audio stories about daily life in different countries. The app, powered by the city's learning network, adapts to her listening level, slowing down or repeating phrases when necessary. All around her, the city buzzes quietly with intelligent coordination. Drones deliver parcels, guided by secure air routes that avoid crowded areas. Smart police patrols maintain safety through observation, not confrontation, predicting and preventing incidents before they occur. Schools use immersive classrooms where students communicate with AI tutors in multiple languages. Children learn geography by exploring virtual worlds, while their AI partners translate and explain in English. As evening falls, the smart city glows with gentle light. Street lamps adjust brightness based on movement, saving energy and creating a sense of peace. Emma finishes her work and decides to walk home through the park. Along the way, she listens to an English storytelling podcast called A Day in Smart City. The narrator describes experiences just like hers, blending imagination and learning into one peaceful walk. Every sentence becomes both inspiration and lesson. In the park, holographic art installations come to life, responding to movement and sound. Children play safely under the watch of smart guardians, AI drones that monitor surroundings while allowing freedom. Couples stroll hand in hand, their steps softly lit by bioluminescent paths. Music floats from hidden speakers, synchronized with the heartbeat of the city. It feels like living inside a poem built from circuits and dreams. When Emma reaches home, her apartment greets her with warmth. The lighting, scent, and sound adjust automatically to her mood, which her wearable device has monitored throughout the day. Her AI companion asks gentle questions in English about her feelings and plans for tomorrow. Speaking aloud helps Emma relax and practice her communication skills. The interaction is simple but deeply human. It reminds her that technology, when guided by empathy, can bring peace rather than pressure. Before sleeping, Emma reviews her day on the digital mirror. It shows how much English she practiced, how many steps she walked, and how many sustainable choices she made. The smart city measures success not by wealth or competition, but by balance. Balance between work and rest, between progress and mindfulness, between intelligence and kindness.